Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Ever wished you could instantly turn any website link into a QR code without installing anything extra? Well, today I'm going to show you a super quick trick inside Google Chrome that lets you do exactly that. And the best part? It's already built in. Now, let's take it step by step. First, let's see how it works in action. Just open your Google Chrome browser and go to any website you want to share. For example, I'm currently on the Eminent Legacy website, and I want to share this link as a QR code. Now look at the top right side of your browser. You'll see a small icon that looks like a puzzle piece. Go ahead and click on it. And just like that, boom, your QR code is generated instantly. You can download it or copy it and share it anywhere you want. Think about it. You can add it to your flyers, presentations, websites, or even send it to friends. No more typing long links. Just scan and go. Now, what if you don't see that option in your browser? No problem. Let me show you how to enable it. Go to the top right corner again and click on the three dots. From the menu, move to More Tools. Then click on Customize Chrome. Once you click it, you'll see a sidebar appear on the right side of your screen. Now scroll down slowly until you find the Toolbar section. This is where you control what shows on your Chrome toolbar. Look through the options until you find Create QR Code. Once you see it, just turn it on. That's it. Now close the sidebar, and if you check your toolbar again, you'll see the QR code icon ready to use anytime. So anytime you're browsing and want to share a website, just click that icon and your QR code is ready instantly. Simple, fast, and very powerful. Give it a try and see how useful it is. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple and powerful tech tips.